Hi guys, Marvin here from shopsadapage.com, and this is a part of our ESGS 2019 coverage. Today we're checking out the MSI booth and see what's their latest offering. With that said, let's get into it. Hi guys, Marvin here from shopsadapage.com, and today we're currently here at the MSI booth. We're here with Sir Ira James Garcia.
Hello guys, my name is Ira James. I'm the Product Marketing Specialist of MSI Philippines. Thank you for having me here, Sir Marvin.
So, i-check lang natin ngayon yung kanilang mga bagong laptop dito sa booth nila.
So ngayon, what we have here right now, we have two laptops that we want to showcase. First up is the Alpha 15. So MSI Alpha 15, we have just released this. This is a new laptop. It has a new AMD Radeon RX5500M GPU, and it's the first MSI Gaming Ryzen laptop. So for the specs, it has the AMD Ryzen 7 3750H. For the GPU, it has a Radeon RX5500. Also, it has 16 gigs of RAM, 512 SSD. And for the Philippine version, it will have the 120 Hz refresh rate screen, which is also FreeSync. And what's interesting about this laptop is that it has, for its price, it has the features of the high-end, which is the GE series nung MSI.
We also have the GE series here.
Yeah, nandun sa play area. Okay. Pero ang features kasi ng GE series is sa 100K plus laptop mo na makikita yung may RGB na keyboard and also with the Cooler Boost 5. So kagabi, pinatakbo ko ito ng firmware stress test overnight, and the GPU just leveled at around 59 degrees Celsius. And up next is here, we have the GT76 Titan. So this one is very interesting. It's one of our most high-end laptops right now. So it has a 144Hz screen, an NVIDIA RTX 2080. It also has the desktop class or in desktop processor na Core i9 9900K. So ito sa mga laptop may magandang cooling because it can handle the desktop processor and overclock. And it really wipes everything else off the floor because it has the most performance that you can squeeze out of the laptop. Ito yung tawag namin dito kasi ngayon nauso yung mga slim notebooks, no? So what we call this is the muscle book. Kasi old school, di ba? Yung mga malalaking notebooks, mga dating brands na talagang malalaking laptops. So we're trying to bring that kind of tradition with the muscle books.
Kumbaga ano siya, parang performance, ay yung gusto niyo talaga is para pure performance, hindi siya for ultra light, mga ganun. No?
Yeah, it's right. If you want pure raw gaming performance, productivity, this one's for you. Like, if you don't mind lugging around the huge laptop, kasi meron talagang market for the muscle books. Kasi I know, nagiging trend ngayon yung mga slim gaming notebooks. Pero for cooling wise, mas maganda pa rin talaga ang cooling performance ng malalaki.
Both these laptops naman is already available locally?
Yes, this one is already available. This one will have a pre-order soon. We'll announce it to our MSI Gaming page. Makikita niyo yung mga pre-order details and promos.
So, ang question ko lang, sir, meron ba tayong product currently in development na pwede nating i-look forward sa future?
MSI is really dedicated to gamers to bring the best gaming hardware that we can have for them to have the competitive advantage. And we're always listening to feedbacks of the consumers, the gamers, the creators. And actually, wala kami dito is the Creator Series laptops. And we'll have a look at that some other time, pero definitely we have something in store for the creators then.
So thank you very much, sir, for the interview. Check ko lahat ng products ng MSI dito. Salamat sa opportunity, sir.
Alright, okay, thank you, Sir Marvin. Thank you.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more ESGS 2019 coverage like this. And don't forget to like our Facebook page for quick updates. Have a great day and see you on the next video.